Monopoly Gamer, Party Mode, How to Play. The rules are the same as the regular 4-player version except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. You will need to purchase the extra Monopoly Gamer power packs in order to play this mode. During setup, each player picks 2 to 3 characters and takes the tokens and character cards. Pick one of your characters to start the game and place that token on go. Players may only have one of their tokens on the board at a time, and they may never have the same character on the board at a time. In the case of duplicates, the youngest player gets to decide which character they will play first. You can swap out your character on the board with a different one from your team at any time on your turn, but you may only swap once per turn. You are allowed to swap in such a way that one character moves and the other uses its power-up ability. The game ends immediately when the boss fight is over, and the player with the most points wins.